Okay, so we've raised up our air pressure. I got a pressure regulator back there to just kind of simulate what happens in your airbags when you get loaded. So we're sitting here at 68,800 pounds gross. And you'll notice we've got the 1, 2, 3 showing all 3 axles. And here I can't actually do anything calibration wise. You know, I hold down cal high, nothing's gonna happen. We can't calibrate in that mode. We have to do each axle separately. So we'll hit the menu button. That'll get us to axle group 1, which is our steer. We've got our loaded ticket here. So we're gonna do cal high. And actually we're really close. Our loaded steer is 11,800. So we'll just drop that down to 800. Hold down cal high. You'll notice the little CH disappears, so that's saved. And then we'll hit menu again, get us to our drive axle. And we're showing 28,200, and we want to get to 34,960. We're going to get a ticket. So we'll hold cal high, and we'll raise that up to 34,960. All right, then we hold down cal high to save that, and it's showing right between 34,950 and 35, which is exactly what we want. So now we'll switch to the trailer axle, and we're shooting for 33,100. So we'll hold cal high. And cal high to save it. All right, so now when we push our menu button one more time, we'll get that gross weight. We're looking for 79,860, and our gauge is showing us 79,850. So we are good to go. And in this case, you know, we're a little heavy on our drives, so you'd probably want to slide your tandems forward a little bit to take off some of that weight off your drives, because we're still under our gross. We're 79,860. So as soon as we move those trailer tandems forward, you know, we're going to be legal and we can get on the way. And you didn't have to go to a scale to do it.